Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey to a place that seems to have leapt straight from the pages of a fairy tale, Giethoorn, Netherlands. Known as the Venice of the North, this car-free village is a web of charming canals lined by quaint thatched-roof houses. The serenity here is palpable, as if the whole village is holding its breath, wrapped up in its own enchanting bubble. So buckle up as we delve deeper into this enchanting village. Exploring Giethoorn is an adventure in itself. This enchanting village can be discovered in two delightful ways: on foot, meandering along the picturesque footpaths, or by navigating the serene waterways in a traditional punt boat. The latter, known as a punter, offers a unique perspective of this charming place. Picture yourself adrift on calm waters, gliding under quaint little bridges, each one a portal to another enchanting scene. As you float past, you'll be treated to the sight of beautifully quaint thatched roof houses, their gardens a riot of vibrant flowers that seem to tumble right down to the water's edge. The tranquility is palpable, punctuated only by the soft lapping of water against the punt and the occasional bird song. In Giethoorn, the pace of life slows, and the world seems to hush, allowing you to truly soak in the beauty around you. Giethoorn offers an experience like no other, a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle. But that's not all. Giethoorn has many hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. Here, the Thatched-roof Museum stands as a testament to the village's rich history. Wander through the vintage exhibits, absorbing the tales of years gone by. Local shops brim with unique crafts and souvenirs, perfect for taking a piece of Giethoorn home with you. And don't forget to savor mouth-watering meals at a waterside restaurant, immersing yourself in this magical atmosphere. Each corner of Giethoorn holds a surprise, making the journey even more exciting. And beyond the village, the natural beauty of Giethoorn is a sight to behold. A plethora of windmills stand tall against the sky, farmlands stretch out into the horizon, and waterways teem with a symphony of bird life. Whether you choose to embark on a leisurely bicycle ride or take a serene stroll, the picturesque surroundings invite you to immerse yourself in nature's splendor. Giethoorn is more than a village. It's a perfect blend of charming village life and breathtaking natural beauty. Giethoorn, with its serene canals and natural beauty, offers the perfect escape. This enchanting village invites you to explore its waterways by punt or on foot, discover its rich history and museums, and indulge in local crafts and cuisine. Beyond the village, a landscape of windmills, farmlands, and bird-filled waterways awaits. So that's Giethoorn, a charming village with a network of canals, beautiful thatched roof houses, and plenty of activities to enjoy. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting travel adventures.